SpaceX is targeting Wednesday, May 27 for Falcon 9's launch of Crew Dragon's second demonstration, Demo 2, mission from Launch Complex 39A at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. This test flight with NASA astronauts Bob Behnken and Doug Hurley on board the Dragon spacecraft will return human spaceflight to the United States. If successful, it would be the first crewed spacecraft launch in the United States since the end of the Space Shuttle program in 2011. The Crew Dragon capsule will ride into orbit on a two-stage Falcon 9 rocket. This is the spacecraft's last demonstration flight before NASA certifies SpaceX to make regular flights to the space station. In a previous demonstration flight, an unoccupied Crew Dragon docked with the space station in March 2019. The instantaneous launch window opens at 4:33 p.m., with backup instantaneous launch opportunities available on Saturday, May 30th at 3:22 p.m., and on Sunday, May 31st at 3 p.m. Demo 2 is the final major test for SpaceX's human spaceflight system to be certified by NASA for operational crew missions to and from the International Space Station. SpaceX is returning human spaceflight to the United States with one of the safest, most advanced systems ever built, and NASA's Commercial Crew program is a turning point for America's future in space exploration that lays the groundwork for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond.